So guys, we are back and I'm actually done here, enjoying the view. Actually had a drink. Check it out. Amsterdam. Yeah guys, Mr. Vic, trying to give it to you guys how it is. They made a new bar up in this place. Look at this, looking so dope. Last time I was in this place, guys, it was not looking like this. They set it up. Ooh, na na na. With the cloud surfer vibes. Loving it. Yeah. Got the whole Skylounge vibes going over here. Yeah, guys, check out the view. Cloud surfers, Mr. Vic, coming to you guys from the Skylounge, Rotterdam, Luminair. You know what it is. Catch-up vibe, guys. This is just a catch-up vibe. Got the DJ set going really dope. Pioneer set all the way. Yeah, and I'm gonna pay the bill. So my man be waiting up over there. My man be waiting with a big smile over there. Look at him. All right, let's pay this. Click. Let's go. So I had an iced tea. Very healthy. You know what it is? We healthy in the summer, man. Cloud surfers, Mr. Vic. Check it out. Skylounge.
Green tea ginger?
Yeah, green tea ginger.
It will be so good.
Yeah, let's go. Pin it up, pin it up, pin it up, pin it up, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to check out the drone videos. They will be lit. Amsterdam coming to you live. It's gonna be good. Is it going? How we doing?
I'm good here.
Yeah. Looking good though. Looking good, my man. Checking it out. Putting it in the lock system. Is it down? We got over here. Got some snacks over here. All right, snacks looking good, man. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right. Yeah, man, we got all types of wines going here. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Have a good day.
You have a good day, man. Guys, so there you have it. It's a sunny day. It's looking good. It is looking good. Yeah. It is looking good. Guys, check this out, man. Now this is a view, right? This is what we call a view, guys. Check it out. Catch a vibe. Catch a vibe, guys. Alright guys, it's a wrap up. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you do. And Cloud Surfers, Mr. Vic going up, guys. Let's go.